Watkins Tree Farm. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well, and thank you for checking into the channel. Well, today I'm finally getting out here and cleaning up the damage from the derecho, whatever they're calling it. I don't really agree that they called it that. Usually that's dealt with a squall line, and this one came through as a squall line, but the 90 to 100 mile-an-hour winds came behind it from the west. Anyway, we'll not get into that. So today I am cutting up this tree, and I'm going to take the limbs I can and burn it, and then all this, man, this stuff is pretty punky. Some of this is real punky. So we'll probably just put it in the burn pit and we'll burn it. But this stuff right here is pretty solid, and so I'll just keep cutting these until I get to the punky stuff, and then we'll stop. There's a lot here to cut, and it's going to take me a few days to do it, and I'm going to take you guys along. As you guys saw in the intro, it blew really hard. That was the strongest wind we've ever had here. It's probably right up there with the strongest wind we've ever seen. It came out of the west, and once the big winds came, everything was just dust. You couldn't see anything, and it was howling. And it did that probably for 15-20 minutes. We were really fortunate. We didn't have any more damage. I have some trees over here that let's just say I thought she was coming down. We were out of power for just over 24 hours. There are some people in town that were out of power for 3 or 4 days, so we were fortunate in that as well. We just ran the generator and kept the refrigerator and the freezer going, and within 27 hours we had power. So it wasn't too bad, but it was a little scary. So right now I'm going to get this cleaned up. I haven't worked on that tree over there or that big log over there, but I'm going to start getting these little limbs out of here, and we'll keep moving along. Once again, if you're new to the channel, this is a Steel MS-251 wood boss. I got it just maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago, and I love it, and it makes us so much easier cutting. Could I get a bigger saw? Yeah. Is it in the future? Maybe. But right now I'm using the wood boss and I'm very happy with it. I'm tired. It's been a busy couple hours. As you saw, the chainsaw handled this pretty easy. These are some big rounds. My son's just tried to split them and they're a little too wet. This tree's been dead for a year. I thought it'd be dry by now, but maybe the trunks takes a little longer. The branches are definitely dry. I thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't checked out my videos on the tractor, you might do so. I'll put the playlist above. That tractor's a workhorse. It moved all this wood over here for me, and I didn't have to hurt myself too bad. And it did it quickly. Otherwise, I would have had to get my truck back there and load the truck and get it back here, and it's so much easier to move that tractor. So the John Deere 1026R is the tractor I have. Go check the playlist out. But I am going to go inside and warm up and eat some dinner. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.